Hi everyone, welcome to RR's tutorial. In previous class, நம்ம eigenvalues eigenvectorல ஒரு problem பார்த்தோம். Eigenvalues eigenvectorல இந்த problem கொஞ்சம் different-ஆ இருக்கும். So, let us see this problem. Find the eigenvalues and eigenvectors of the matrix A equal to 2, 2, 0, 2, 2, 0, 0, 0, 1. We know the characteristic equation is determinant of A minus lambda equal to 0. Otherwise we can write lambda cube minus C1 lambda square plus C2 lambda minus C3 equal to 0. Here C1 equal to sum of diagonal elements. The diagonal elements are 2, 2 and 1. So 2 plus 2 plus 1 equal to 5. C2 equal to sum of minus of diagonal elements. Diagonal elements oda minus பார்த்தீங்க அப்படின்னா 1, 1 element க்கு 2, 0, 0, 1. And for 2, 2, A2 to 2, 0, 0, 1. And for 3, 3 element 2, 2, 2, 2 will be the determinant. Okay. Determinant of 2, 0, 0, 1 is 2 minus 0. Here 2 minus 0, 4 minus 4. So 4 minus 4, 0. Here 2 plus 2 plus 2, 2 plus 2 plus 0 equal to 4. So C2 equal to 4. C3 determinant of A. Determinant of the given matrix 2, 2, 0, 2, 2, 0, 0, 0, 1. Let us take 2. Now leave this row and column. We will have determinant of 2, 0, 0, 1. And second element is minus 2. Here you have to take plus sign, minus sign, plus sign. So minus 2 determinant of 2, 0, 0, 1 plus 0 into determinant of 2, 2, 0, 0. Okay. 2. 2 minus 0. Here minus 2 into 2 minus 0 plus 0 into 0 minus 0. Here 2 minus 0, 2, 2 into 2, 4. Here also 2 minus 2, 0 is 2, 2 into minus 2 is minus 4. Here 0 minus 0, 0, 0 into 0 is 0. Finally 4 minus 0 equal to 0, C3 equal to 0. If the constant value is 0, then definitely you will have 0 as an eigenvalue. Let us see. Characteristic equation is lambda cube minus C1 value is 5. So 5 lambda square plus C2 is 4. So 4 lambda minus C3 is 0. Therefore the characteristic equation is lambda cube minus 5 lambda square plus 4 lambda equal to 0. Taking lambda outside, we will have lambda into lambda square minus 5 lambda plus 4 equal to 0. From this lambda equal to 0 or lambda square minus 5 lambda plus 4 equal to 0. Factorizing this equation, we will have lambda minus 4 into lambda minus 1. ரெண்டு நம்பர் multiply பண்ணா 4 வரணும், add பண்ணா minus 5 வரணும். So we are taking minus 4 and minus 1. Therefore eigenvalues are 0, 1, 4. Next we are going to find the eigenvector. Eigenvector is the non-zero column vector x satisfying A minus lambda I into x equal to 0. First of all, eigenvector எப்படி இருக்கணும் அப்படின்னா ஒரு non-zero column vector இருக்கணும். Okay. A minus lambda I is 2 minus lambda 2, 0. Just put minus lambda in the diagonal elements. 2 minus lambda 2, 0. 2, 2 minus 2, 2 minus lambda 0. 0, 0, 1 minus lambda. Now multiply the matrix x. So 2 minus lambda x1 plus 2x2 plus 0x3 equal to 0. Second row 2x1 plus 2 minus lambda x2 plus 0x3 equal to 0. And third row 0x1 plus 0x2 plus 1 minus lambda x3 equal to 0. Now the equations will be, now let us take lambda equal to 0. First eigenvalue lambda equal to 0. Putting lambda equal to 0 in these three equations, the equations will become 2x1 plus 2x2 plus 0x3 equal to 0. 2x1 plus 2x2 plus 0x3 equal to 0. And last 0x1 plus 0x2 plus x3 equal to 0. Okay. Taking x1 and x2, x3 by cross multiplication method, we will have x1 by determinant of 2, 0, 2, 0. Here determinant of 0, 2, 0, 2. Determinant of 2, 2, 2, 2. Now simplifying this, we will have x1 by 0, x2 by 0, x3 by 0. All three will become 0. We must have non-zero vector. X is a non-zero vector. But here all the three values are 0. So we should not take the first two equations. Let us take another two equations. That is, take second and third equation. If you take second and third equation, we will have x1 divided by determinant of 2, 0, 0, 1, x2 divided by determinant of 0, 2, 1, 0 and x3 divided by determinant of 2, 2, 0, 0. Simplifying this, we will have x1 divided by 2 minus 0, x2 divided by 0 minus 2, x3 divided by 0 minus 0. So x1 equal to 2, x2 equal to minus 2, x3 equal to 0. Now we have got non-zero column vector. So the eigenvector corresponding to lambda equal to 0 is x1 equal to 2 minus 2, 0. Next, let us take lambda equal to 1. Substituting lambda equal to 1 in these three equations, the equations will become 1 into x1 plus 2x2 plus 0x3 equal to 0. Next, 2x1 plus 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. 1x2 plus 0x3 equal to 0. 0x1 plus 0x2 plus, here 1 minus 1 will become 0. 0 into x3 equal to 0. For x1, let us take, here I have considered first two equations. So, 2, 0, 0, 0, 1, 2, 2, 1. For x1, determinant of 2, 0, 1, 0. For x2, determinant of 0, 1, 0, 2. For x3, determinant of 1, 2, 2, 1. Simplifying this, x1 divided by 0 minus 0, x2 divided by 0 minus 0, x3 divided by 2 minus 4, 1 minus 4. Okay, x1 divided by 0, x2 divided by 0, x3 divided by minus 3. So, the eigenvector corresponding to lambda equal to 1 is 0, 0, minus 3. Or this can be written as 0, 0, minus 1. That is, we are dividing by 3. This is also can be written as 1 minus 1, 0. Okay, next lambda equal to 4. Putting lambda equal to 4, the equations will become minus 2x1 plus 2x2 plus 0x3 equal to 0. 2x1 minus 2x2 plus 0x3 equal to 0. Last equation 0x1 plus 0x2 minus 3x3 equal to 0. For x1, minus 2, 0, 0, minus 3. For x2, 0, 2, minus 3, 0. For x3, 2, minus 2, 0, 0. Now, x1 divided by determinant of minus 2, 0, 0, minus 3. x2 divided by determinant of 0, 2, minus 3, 0. x3 divided by determinant of 2, minus 2, 0, 0. That is x1 divided by 6 minus 0, x2 divided by 0 plus 6, x3 divided by 0 minus 0 implies x1 equal to 0, x2 equal to, x1 equal to 6, x2 equal to 6, x3 equal to 0. Therefore, the eigenvector corresponding to lambda equal to 4 is x3 is equal to 660 or 110. So, when you have the similar equation, we should not take the two equations, we have to take different equations. Then only we can get the non-zero vector. Otherwise, we will have a zero vector. When you have similar equation, you have to consider two different equations. Okay. This is the different case in eigenvalues and eigenvectors. Thank you.